Hello, Triza here, your masseuse. So I want to show you the difference between Swedish massage and deep tissue massage. So we'll be doing a deep tissue massage for you to understand the difference between the deep tissue and the Swedish massage. So for the deep tissue massage, we will start with the Efroraj. Do this technique for about 3 times. Then I will push through the body to prepare the muscles and the tissues for the massage. Then I will walk using my knuckles. So for the deep tissue, it focuses on the main roots of the tension and the pain. So for the shoulders, mostly the tension comes from the neck area and the shoulders, leading to upper back pain. So we move in with the elbow to release most of the tension and allow the elbow and the muscles to allow us to move in. And through this technique, we are able to release most of the tension. We will do that technique for about 2 times on one side and also on the other end. Notice how I'm placing my arm as I allow the muscles to allow me in. The deep tissue is able to work through the deeper layers of the muscles, relieving all the build-up tension. So we will do that technique for about 3 times. Then we will make nice using lighter techniques such as Petrisage, some Efroraj. So for the Swedish massage, it only deals with the upper layers of the muscles, not dealing with the root cause. Mostly it's only for relaxation. So when we move into the lower back, we will start with this technique to prepare the muscles and also to relieve most of the tension in the lower back. So the causes of lower back pain starts from the lumbar area, and by relieving the tension in the lumbar area, we have already dealt with most of the tension in the lower back. So after making nice, we'll move into the lumbar area. We place our arm on this angle. Then we will allow the muscles to allow us in. So we'll do this slowly, not forcing anything, but allowing the muscles to allow us in. We'll do this on both sides for about 4 times. So we will move into a more deeper technique as we move the elbow upwards, relieving the tension in the lumbar area because there is much build-up tension in this area and it causes uncomfortability in the lower back and the pain. And unless we relieve the tension in the lumbar area, we have not dealt with most of the causes of the lower back, which when doing Swedish, we are not able to deal with these areas as we do not concentrate on the trigger point. Notice when we are doing this technique, we are not forcing anything through. We are just allowing the muscles to allow us in. And for this, the client will be breathing in and out to allow the tension out of the body. And this will help also in the circulation of the blood, and also it will be able to deposit nutrients and also oxygen in those affected areas. So you do the same technique for about 4 times on both sides. Then you'll make nice as we align the back, as deep tissue helps in aligning the back, thus helping in flexibility and improving mobility. Because most of the people, their back is bent, and this is because of the build-up tension which has occurred year after year, month after month, with no activity, no exercising, and so the tension builds up. So after aligning the back, we can do other simpler and lighter techniques on the back. So the shoulders, the tension in the shoulders and the upper back mostly causes migraines, mostly for people who sit down for long hours or people who work at home. The deep tissue is best for them. So remember, one massage session or one deep tissue session is not the answer. As the more you come for the sessions, the more we are able to release the tension in your muscles. And some people also ask, why do they receive soreness or feel soreness in their muscles after a deep tissue massage? Remember, like any other stretch or exercise, it causes tear in the muscles and it requires some time to heal. And the soreness is just part of the healing process. And mostly it goes away 28 to 72 hours. So we'll just finish up with some effleurage. So yeah, we are located in Utawala. We offer massage services. We are located opposite AP, same building with Modokinjo Paints, first floor, room H4. Feel free to contact us. Our number is on the bio. Thank you.